Okay guys, and today we are doing a story, okay? Okay, we're just doing a story? Yeah, we're just doing a story. Yeah, Pessimus. We are just doing a story, okay? Okay, Mickey, stop saying okay, fine. Okay, so, let me read, and don't you guys interrupt me when I'm reading, I guess, okay? Okay, let me read. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Junior, and just walked over like he was saying la 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 la, and he saw it was a put a button on the floor, and then he pressed it and he got put to the bad place, and he was like, oh no, what am I gonna do? Ah! After Pessime read the whole story, and happily ever after, the end. Wow, Pessime, that's a good story. Yeah, that was a good story. Pessmate, what was that noise? What noise? That noise! What? What the heck was that noise? I don't know. It sounds like a paper noise. A paper? Well, if it's a paper, well, should we just play a little bit? And see, remember what's going on? Yeah. Okay, let's play. Yeah. I heard again, Pessime. Yeah, I know, it's a paper noise. So what does that mean? I don't know what that mean. Well, why don't we just play? Pessime, you're the one who wants to play, and we remember about something. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Well, guys, what the heck was that noise? I don't even know what the heck is that noise. Yeah, I don't even know what the heck is that noise, too. Well, maybe it's coming from the basement, so let's go to the basement. Okay, let me check if there's someone in the basement. Okay, so there is no one in the basement. Okay. I heard it again! I know, Mickey, it's a stupid noise. It's crazy and annoying and whatever. Let's just stay here. We're fine. It's just annoying. My God, a stupid paper noise. Oh, guys, I'm a little scared. Me too. Guys, we're fine. Let's just sit here and cover up with a blanket. Okay? I think we're good. Okay? Ah, guys, the lights went out. Ah! Okay, guys, don't worry. We got a flashlight. Okay, guys, don't worry, guys. We got a flashlight. Okay, thank God we got a flashlight. If we don't, we're never gonna be able to see. Yeah, Pessimus and Mickey. Yeah. So, what are we gonna do about this power? I don't know. I don't even know. Ooh. What the heck was that? I don't even know. This sounds pretty scary. Yeah, I mean, too. Well, viewers, I guess it's not a scary movie. It's just a video. You'll be fine, viewers. Yeah, it's just a video. Your power's not off. If your power's off, just turn it on because you're scared of the dark, viewers. Yeah, Pessimus is right. Do it right now. Guys, what are we going to do about this power? I don't even know. Guys, I'm so scared. Me too. Wait a second. Who are you guys? Do you remember Pete? Yeah, I'm the Candy Corn father. Yeah, I'm Candy Corn. Dragon, just get over here. So, hey guys, what are you doing here? So, we're just here because we're a little bit scared of the dog of the other way, so we just decided to come over here to you guys. Oh, okay, so Why do you have a flashlight? Because the power went out, guys. I don't know what happened to the lights. Did someone just turn off the lights? I don't even know. Yeah, me too. Yeah. Well, guys, I released some of the people here, so don't worry, guys. Yeah. Are you by yourself, Pismate? No, I'm not. With these guys and the dragon. Yeah, the dragon. Everyone is with me. Well, what are we gonna do about this power, guys? I don't even know. Well, I don't even know about this. But what do you don't know about? I don't even know about this dragon's butt my way. So get out here, dragon. Oh, hey, don't mean to the dragon. Oh, sorry, dragon. Hey, Kitty guy, you cover up the line. We need it. Oh, silly me. Well, so let's just stay here. And let's wait until the power comes back on. Yeah. Ooh. Guys, what was that noise saying? Ooh. And that noise sounds like paper. It's just that scary noise. So let me take this flashlight with me. Let me go check if anyone is in the basement. Okay, let me go look. Whoa, what the heck? What's wrong with me? Those stuff just flew on the floor. Yeah? Stop talking, dragon. Well, guys, I hope this noise goes away soon. Woo. Guys, that noise is pretty scary. Yeah, I know, this noise is pretty scary. Guys, what is that noise? It's the door noise, Petsmate. Yeah, I know it's a door noise. It's scary. Guys, what was that? It sounds like broke into the house. What? Someone just broke into the house? Yeah. Guys, I think we shouldn't be here. Petsmate, I think we shouldn't be here. Yeah, I don't know why we be here. Who else here? You, Petsmate. Oh yeah, why did I do this? What the heck? Yes! The power's on! Yes! Oh, thank God! I don't want to do that again, guys. Yeah, we are never doing that again. Let's hope this sound never comes back next year. Yeah, I know. It's just the baddest noise ever just come last year. Yeah, it was 2022. It was the baddest noise ever. Yeah, I know. I almost got killed last year. Okay, guys. We survived. We barely survived. So, let's just go to the beach. Come on, guys. You guys go. Wherever the heck you just go, wherever. Come on, guys, let's go.